Very good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss about the collinear points. Collinear points. What is the definition of the collinear points? Now, see, children, the points which lies on the same straight line are called collinear points. The points which lies on the same straight line are called collinear points. See, let us take a line L and A, B, C are 3 points. Now, see here, AC distance is equals to AB distance plus BC distance. AC distance is equals to AB plus BC. Okay, therefore A comma B comma C are collinear points. A comma B comma C are collinear points. Okay. Now see, children, let us take one example, that is, show that the points A 4 comma 2, B 7 comma 5 and C 9 comma 7 are 3 points lie on the same line. Lie on the same line means we are going to prove the points are collinear. Points are collinear. That means we have to find out the AB distance, BC distance and CA distance. Okay, now see, children, solution. Let A 4 comma 2, B 7 comma 5 and C 9 comma 7. 9 comma 7. Okay. Now we find the distances. Now we find the distances. We find the distances AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA. Okay. Now distance formula. We know the distance formula. Distance formula. Under the root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, first of all, we are going to find the distance of AB. Okay. Now, distance of AB. Now, A point is 4 comma 2. That implies, let it be x1. x1 is 4, y1 is equals to 2, and B value is 7 comma 5. That implies x2 is equals to 7, y2 is equals to 5. y2 is equals to 5. Substitute these values in this formula. Okay, now which is equals to x2. What is that? AB is equal to x2 value is 7 minus x1 value is 4. 7 minus 4 whole square plus y2 5 minus y1 value is 2 whole square under the root, which is equal to 7 minus 4 3 whole square plus 5 minus 2 3 whole square under the root. Now which is equal to 3 square means 9 plus 3 square means 9, which is equal to 18. Okay, now this can be written as 9 into 2. The square root of 9 is 3 root 2 units. 3 root 2 units. That is the AB distance. AB distance. Okay. Now next one is we are going to find out the BC distance. Distance of BC. Now B point is 7 comma 5. That implies x1 is equals to 7, y1 is equals to 5. Now C point is 9 comma 7. That implies x2 is equals to 9 and y2 is equals to 7. Therefore BC is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root. Now x2 value is 9 minus 7 whole square plus y2 value is 7 minus y1 value is 5 whole square under the root. Now which is equal to 9 minus 7 2 whole square plus 7 minus 5 2 whole square under the root, which is equal to 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Root 8. Root 8 can be written as 4 into 2 under the root. This 4 square root is 2 root 2 units. Root 2 units. That is BC distance. That is BC distance. Okay. Now children, we have to find out the distance of AC. Distance of AC. Distance of AC. Now A point. What is A point? 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. That implies x1 is equals to 4, y1 is equals to 2. Now C point. What is C point? 9 comma 7. 9 comma 7. That implies x2 is equals to 9 and y2 is equals to 7. y2 is equals to 7. Now see, AC is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root, which is equal to x2 value is 9 minus x1 value is 4 whole square plus y2 value is 7 minus y1 value is 2 whole square under the root, which is equal to 9 minus 4 5 whole square plus 7 minus 2 5 whole square under the root, which is equal to 5 square means 25 plus 5 square 5 into 5 25, that is equals to 50. This 50 can be written as 25 twos, which is equal to 25 value is 5 and root 2. That is AC distance units. AC is 5 root 2. Therefore AB value plus BC value. AB plus BC is equals to AB distance is 3 root 2 units plus BC distance is 2 root 2 units, which is equals to 3 plus 2 5 root 2 units. Which is the value of AC? Which is the value of AC? Therefore, we conclude that AC distance is equals to AB distance plus BC distance. Therefore, the points A, B, and C lies on the same straight line. Lies on the same straight line. That is nothing but, therefore we conclude that A comma B and C are collinear points. Collinear points. Okay children? Thank you so much. I hope you understood well. Thank you very much.